Morning, girls. Morning, girls. We'll continue with English text. Lesson 10. Yesterday we did how the three friends entered Nalia's hut and they reached the baby elephant in the cow shed. They jumped over the fence, bamboo fence, and they cut off the ropes of the baby elephant. Now take page 92. We stopped here that they are leading the baby elephant out from Nalia's hut. They're trying to bring him out, and just that minute the bull made a big noise, loud bellow. It made a noise, and with the bull's loud bellow, baby elephant squealed nervously. And with this noise of baby elephant also, along with the bull, the guard woke up. We stopped yesterday here. We'll continue now. He's coming in to investigate, Dhanya hissed urgently. What on earth can we do? Now, one of the friends is saying, the guard is coming towards us. What can we do now? The empty shed offered no cover. The door was the only point of exit, and there was no other way. They had to come through that one door only which was there. You can see in the picture here, through this door only they had brought this elephant out. Set the baby free, Jonty said in a nervous whisper. He's our only chance. Now Jonty is telling, one of the friends is saying, leave the baby free, baby elephant free. That's the only chance. Leave him free. And that time the guard was already at the door. When they were just talking and deciding, taking a decision quickly, the guard had already reached at the door. The boys let go of the calf. They left the baby loose. They did not tie him, left him. Babul hit it smartly on the back. And one of the friend, Babul, he hit the baby elephant on its back. With a startled cry, it shot off like an express train, and because he hit him on his back, the baby elephant ran like an express train. It ran straight into the guard. It rushed with force straight into the guard because the guard was entering in, and the baby elephant, it ran with speed into the guard, pushing him aside. He pushed the guard one aside and it ran out. The man let out a yell of alarm as he fell, and he gave a loud noise and fell. That man fell. He was not hurt, and in a second he was dashing after the fleeing baby. The man was not hurt. He fell down, and then again he got up and he's running after the fleeing baby. The baby elephant is running, and he's running behind him. The baby elephant is running, and the guard is running behind him. The boys were out of the shed like lightning, and the boys too have gone out of the shed. They ran across the empty backyard, scaled the fence in one swift movement, and then ran to the gate to watch the fun. And the three boys, they are out from the shed. They have gone to the backyard, and they are standing on the gate to watch the fun. Watch the fun, that is the baby elephant is making the guard run behind him. Okay, the elephant calf was leading the man on a merry chase. Merry chase, that is as if the elephant is making the man run behind him. That you come on, catch me and I'm running. You can't catch me. It was like that. Escape, the guard shouted as he ran. The elephant calf has escaped, and now the guard is shouting that baby elephant has escaped. Voices sounded within the hut. Someone lit a lantern, and the front door burst open. And because of all this noise, baby elephant running and the man running behind him, there was noise. So people in the hut, they too have got up. The light is lit a lantern, the light is on, and the front door burst open. They opened the door. Nalia and two others rushed out. and joined in the furious chase. Now Nalia is out and other two people with him. Round and round the baby went with the men in hot pursuit, and the baby elephant is running and people are running behind him. People means Nalia and the other two people along with Nalia. They're running behind the baby elephant. They can't catch him. Round and round they are running behind him. Nalia quicker on his feet than the others, and Nalia is running very fast, very swifties behind the baby elephant. Almost caught up with the animal but lost his balance. He was so fast as if it looked like he was going to catch the baby elephant, but he lost his balance and he fell flat on his face. And Nalia fell flat on his face. That is, he's fallen down running behind the baby elephant. Today we'll stop here. We'll continue tomorrow. And now take down your homework. This is your homework. That is, find the meanings. Find the meanings of these words. Fence, thugs, rammed, shed, previous. I have given 5 words. You find the meanings and write them in your reader or in your rough. The meanings to these words. God bless you.